Hi guys, if you want to make Google Chrome open in full screen automatically like this, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all right click on the Google Chrome shortcut on the desktop and then go to Properties, and on the Google Chrome Properties, go to Shortcut tab, and now here in the target section, just after the closing double quote, add a space and then type this command. I have given this command in the description below. You can copy it from there. So simply copy it and paste it here after the space. Here it is. You can see after the closing double quote there is a space, and then I have added the command. So once you add the full screen command like this, simply click on Apply button and then click on OK to save the changes. And from now on, every time you open Chrome using this modified Google Chrome shortcut, it will automatically open in full screen mode. Let's check it. You can see the Chrome is automatically opening in full screen mode. And to exit full screen mode, either press F11 key on your keyboard or simply hover your mouse at the top of the screen like this and simply click on this cross icon, and the Google Chrome will exit the full screen mode. You can see whenever you open the Google Chrome, it is opening in full screen mode. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily make Google Chrome open in full screen automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.